Line Fencing and Steel Supply was founded on a clear vision. The vision of filling a void that has long existed in the fencing and steel market. You see, historically, fencing contractors in the USA purchase from distributors, who in turn purchase from fence manufacturers. Line Fence, which is a manufacturer, used to supply fencing to these distributors, but now we're supplying it directly to the fence contractor. By cutting out the middleman, we're able to offer a value service to our clients with good quality and the best quality materials at the absolute best value. Our company founder and CEO, Matthew Sivright, has built some of the largest fencing companies all over the world. And by bringing this knowledge and experience into Lion, we've been able to grow rapidly into one of the US's leading suppliers of high quality fence products. Working with Lion, you're working with a team with decades of experience in the fencing industry. Our company's philosophy is really simple. Our clients are at the center of everything we do. We strive every day to supply the best quality fence products at the best prices with the best quality customer experience. All of our staff have experience in both the install side of fencing and also the distribution. So we really understand the industry and its unique requirements. We hold a huge amount of inventory in both California and Texas, which allows us to service our clients all over the country. We also offer a direct shipping service. We ship containers directly to clients and we can transload. And we also specialize in custom projects. Line Fencing and Steel Supplies will not be beaten on service, quality, and taking that extra step to make your fencing project a success.